First of all, I would like to welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 54. Sorry, 52 for grade 2 mathematics, and this is we are learning division, okay? And it's division by a single digit without regrouping. We are studying, and it's on page number 70. It is on page number 70. Abdul Rahman, erase it fast. Erase it. It is on page number 70. So please open page number 70. All right. So we are actually, guys, studying that is division, dividing by a single digit number without regrouping. Wait for a while, guys. All right. I hope it is clear now. Okay, guys. So we are, guys, studying dividing by a single digit number without regrouping. Right. This one. What we learned so far in the division, we learned so far about the dividend, about the divisor, and about the quotient. We know the number which we have to divide is called dividend, and the number by which we are dividing is called divisor, and the answer which we get after dividing the dividend from divisor, that is our quotient or answer. We have to learn one more thing. The amount that is left is called our remainder, like this 0. In the long division, after dividing all numbers, if the amount is left, that is our remainder. Okay, I'll tell you when the remainder comes. Okay, we started to learn long division yesterday. We learned that this is the symbol of division, sign of division. Okay, and what are the steps required to complete this division? If we are dividing 42 by 2, so how can we divide 42 by 2? By using long division method. The first thing, we have to make the division sign, which I have already made. Then I have to write the dividend inside. I write a dividend inside and write the divisor outside. So I write divisor outside. Now I will take one digit only. In 42, I will take only one digit, 4, and check the table of divisor how many times you multiply in this is 4, so you check the divisor what number you multiply by divisor in order to get that number or nearest that number. So, or in other words, I can say how many 2's are there in 4. So 2 multiplied by 1 equals 2, 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. So 2 multiplied by 2, you get exactly 4. So what you did, you write here 2 in the quotient place, and then you multiply this 2 by this 2, which then you get 4, and you exactly write down to this 4 because you take this digit. Okay, the next thing is to do subtraction. Here you write subtraction sign and you do subtraction here. 4 out of 4 equals to 0. Now you have done with the 4. But this 2 is not done yet. So what you will do, you will drop this 2 down now, and you will follow same step for this 2 also. How many 2's are there in 2, or 2 multiplied by what number will give you 2? So 2 multiplied by 1 will give you exactly 2. So you write 1 here and to multiply this 2 by this 1. 2 by 1 equals 2. Then after you will subtract it. You will do the subtraction. Okay. I can tell you one more example. Let's suppose it is not 42. Okay, let's suppose it is 6, 8, 4. Okay, it is 6, 8, 4, and you have to divide it by 2. First, let me correct it. Let me make this sign long. This is now, guys. Okay, 6, 8, 4. I'm erasing this, 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 and this also. Okay, now I ask you to divide 684 by 2. This is the question I ask you. 684 divided by 2. Okay, and you have to divide 684 by 2. So this is the divisor. Sorry, this is the dividend. You have to divide 684, so you write inside. You have to divide it by 2, you write outside. Now take only single digit. You take 6 and check how many 2's are there in 6, or 2 multiplied by what number will give you 6. So 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, and 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. So 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6, so you will write here 3. Okay, and multiply this 2 by this 3. Multiply. Okay, 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6, you write here 6. The next step is to subtract. Write 6 exactly down the 6 and subtract it. 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Now you have 2 digits left, 8 and 4. One by one you will drop it down. First you will write 8 here, and you will check 8 and again follow the same steps. Again check in 8 how many 2's are there, or 2 multiplied by what number will give you 8. So 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 2 multiplied by 3, 6, and 2 multiplied by 4 will give you exactly 8. So 2 multiplied by 4 will give you exactly 8. So you will write here 4 like this. Okay, you write here 4 and multiply this 2 by this 4 now. 2, 4, 8. So you will write here 2, 4 equals to 8. Now 8 minus 8. The next step is to subtract. Subtract this 8 from this 8. So 8 minus 8, again you will get 0. Okay. You will get 0. Now you have done with this 6. You have done with this 8. Only one digit is left which you have not divided. That is 4. So you will write here 4. You will drop this 4 down. This 4 here now. And you will follow the same steps which you did for 6, which you did for 8. In 4, check how many 2's are there, or check 2 multiplied by what number will give you 4. So 2 multiplied by 1, 2, and 2 multiplied by 2, 4. So 2 multiplied by what number equals to 4? 2. So you will write 2 here. Okay. And now multiply this 2 by this 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. So just write 4 exactly down this 4 like this. Okay, and put minus sign because the next step is to minus. Now 4 minus 4 is equals to what? 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. So this is your reminder because you have done with all the number. You have done with all the number. So what is your answer? When you divide 684 by 2, you get 342. 684 divided by 2 is equals to 342. Do you understand it, guys? Yes, do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you understand long division?
Yeah.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
No, 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 no.
Wait for you guys. Where is Abdul Rahman? Abdul Rahman, what is your problem? Why are you disturbing the class? Yes? Abdul Rahman, can you hear me? Abdul Rahman, can you hear me? Say sorry. Say sorry. Otherwise, I will cut your marks. I will cut your classwork marks. Do you want me to cut your marks?
Sorry, sir. He don't know how to put it off, sir.
Okay. Don't do this. This is disturbing the class, okay? Erase all these boxes. Right now, fast. Erase all of it. Alright, guys. Guys, I have opened the chat. If you have any problem, if you have any problem, so you can ask me in the chat. Abdul Rahman again. One more time, Abdul Rahman, if you did like this, I will make you leave the class. Yes, anyone who did not understand. Amjad Muhammad, you did not hear? Okay, I will repeat, no problem. Okay. I will repeat for you guys. I will repeat for you. This is 684 and you have to divide it by 2. So 684 is the dividend, you write inside, 2 is the divisor, you write outside. You take only one digit, 6, and check how many times you need to multiply 2 in order to get 6. So 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. So you write 3 here and you multiply 2 by 3 and write here. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. The next step is to minus. Subtract this 6. 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. Now do this with 8. Check how many 2 multiplied by what number will give you 8? 4. So multiply 2 by 4, that is 8, and then subtract it again. 8 minus 8, 0. Then what is the number left? 4. So drop it down, write 4 here, and multiply this 2. 2 multiplied by what number will give you 4? 2. So you write here 2. Okay, we'll do more practice, no problem. First come to the book question. You know the basics, guys. For the basics, I explain one more time so that you know. The question is, now, I'm giving you question. "96 divide by 3. You have to divide 96 by 3. This is the question, guys. 96 divided by 3. So guys, you have to divide 96 by 3. So this way 96 is inside and 3 is outside. Now, take only one digit. Take only one digit. The first step, the basic step which you have to do for every digit, that is to check the number, how many divisors are there. 3 is the divisor, how many 3's are there in 9? Or for that, multiply 3 by any number that gives you 9, or that will make you near 9. So 3 multiplied by 1, 3, 3 multiplied by 2, 6, and 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. 3 multiplied by what equals to 9? 3. So write this 3 here, okay, and multiply this 3 by this 3. Okay, 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. Just write exactly down this 9. Now you have done, you have right 9. The next step is to minus this one from this one. This is not going to help you in the without regrouping, but that will help you in with regrouping. You don't have always the exact number. Sometimes you go for less number. So this is very important to minus. 9 minus 9 equals to 0. 9 minus 9 equals to 0. Right? So you write here 0. Now, this is the basic. This thing you have to do for every digit. What? Check. Take the digit first. Check. Divisor, what number you multiply to divisor to get that number or to get nearest that number. So this is 3. 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. So write 3. Multiply these two numbers. Write it here. Then after, subtract it. This is the basic. You done it with 9. Same you have to do with the 6. Write 6. Take 6. Now check how many 3's are there in 6. 3 multiplied by what number will give you 6? 2. Write 2 here. Okay. Now 3 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 6. Write 6 down this. 6. But 6 you have to minus. Why you need to minus? Because this is the basic. When you multiply 3 by 2, just write exactly 6 down this. And division is a repeated subtraction. That's why you have to minus. 6 minus 6 is equals to what? The answer will be 0. So now no number to drop it down. So this is your answer. This is your reminder. This is your dividend. This is your divisor. And this is your quotient or your answer. 96 divided by 3 equals to 32. I hope you understand, guys. Now we have come to the book. It is 80 divided by 4. Okay. Because you have to divide 80 by 4. So 80 is the dividend, you write inside. And 4 is a divisor, you write outside. Now take digit 8 and check 4 multiplied by what number equals to 8, or how many 4's are there in 8. Can you tell me 4 multiplied by what number will give you 8? Yes. 4 multiplied by what number will give you 8?
20.
4 multiplied by 2. Very good. So I will write here 2. 4 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. Can I zoom it? Okay, guys. Now 4, I multiply 4, I check the table of 4, 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. What is the next step, guys? What should I do now? Yes, what is the next step?
Zero.
Zero, zero, zero.
No, it is not 0. The next step is to multiply this 4. Don't open the mic.
Three.
The next step is to multiply this 4 by this 2. 4 by 2, 8, and write 8 here. Okay, the next step is to multiply 4 by 2. This 4 by this 2. 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. And write this 8 exactly down the 8. This is the next step. Okay, now what is the next step? I'm asking for the step, not for the answer. Okay, what is the next step?
Zero.
I should take one of you. Al Walid. Al Walid, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Walid. Can you tell me what is the next step here?
The next step.
Yes, what to do now?
Zero.
0. Okay, but 0 is not the next step. What 0? I don't get it. I get it, but you have to explain. Why should I write 0? What I do here? The next step is to subtract, is to minus. Okay, next step is to minus. When I multiply this 4 by this 2, so I have to subtract. 8 minus 8 equals to 0. You all guys are telling me the answer, but I am asking you what to do. So tell me, sir, we have to do now subtraction. Okay,
Okay.
all right. So guys, we have to do subtraction. Okay, we have to write 0, but how? Because we are doing subtraction. 8 minus 8 equals to 0. So I will write here 0. 8 minus 8 equals to 0. Now we will put this 0 down. The next step, we will put the 0 down. So we will also write this 0 again. The 0 again. This is the 0, guys. This is the 0 by we get the 0 by subtraction, but this 0, I show you how we get the 0. We drop this down. We drop the 0 down here and it come. So 4 multiplied by what number will give you 0? You know, guys, if you want to multiply, if you want to get the answer 0 by multiplication, so multiply any number by 0, because 0 says whenever you multiply any number by me, I will make it 0. If you multiply 4 by 0, I'll make it 0. Any number, even thousands. If 0 says if you multiply it with me, I will make it 0. I will make it same like me. 4 multiplied by 0, 0. 10 multiplied by 0, 0. 100 multiplied by 0, 0. So in order to find 0, 4 multiplied by what number will give you 0? So the answer will be 0. Okay. So you will write here. Now multiply 4 this to 0. 4 multiplied by 0 equals to 0. And you will write this 0 here. And 0 minus 0 equals to 0. So this is the answer. This is the answer. When you divide 80 by 4, so the answer will be, this is your answer 20. So you will write 20 will be your answer. 80 divided by 4 equals to 20. This is your answer, guys. 20. How you solve it? You check the table of 4. 4 multiplied by what number will give you 8? 2. So, and then you multiply 4 by 2. 4 by 2 equals to 8. Then after you do subtraction, 8 minus 8, 0. Then you drop the 0 down here. Okay. 0 minus, you drop the 0 down. Then 4 multiplied by what number will give you? 0. So 4 multiplied by 0 will give you 0. So you write, you multiply this 4 by 0. 4 by 0 equals to 0. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. Now you don't have any other number to drop it down. So this is your answer. This 0 is your reminder. And 20 is your answer. This is the question. Do you understand, guys? Any problem? Yes?
No.
No.
Yes.
No. No. No.
Okay. Come to the next question. This is now 482 divided by 2. Okay, 482 divided by 2. Take this first digit now, only 4. Take this first digit and follow the steps of long division. So 2 multiplied by what number will give you 4? Or how many 2's are there in 4? So 2 multiplied by what number will give you 4, guys?
2.
Very good. 2 multiplied by 2 will give you 4. So you will write here 2. You will write here 2. Okay. Now 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. What is the next step? I will ask one of you randomly. Ilyas, what is the next step?
Yes, yes.
I write 2 here. No. The next step is to multiply this 2 by this 2 and write the answer here. Yes. So I will write here 4. Very good. The next step is to 2 multiplied by 2 and I will write here answer. Good. Okay, now what is the next step? Minus. Very good. 4 minus 4 equals to
0.
0. Very good. So I will write here 0. Thank you. So I follow the basic steps to complete this long division. I take only one digit, that is 4. I check in the table of 2 whether 4 comes or not. So it comes. How many times? 2 multiplied by 2. 2 times. 2 times 2 equals to 4. So 2 multiplied by 2, I multiply it. I write first 2, then I multiply 2 by 2 equals to 4. I write 4 it down for down here and then I do subtraction. 4 minus 4, 0. What is the next step? I will ask you randomly. Saud.
Yes, sir.
What should I do now?
Now 8
Good, good. What should I write here? What number should I write here? Yes, I have done with this, right?
8.
8. I have done this with. Now I will drop this 8 down. I will drop this 8 down here. So I will write here
8.
8. Okay. I will write here 8. Then what I will do? I will check table of 2.
2,
In the table,
2
yes.
multiplied by 8 equal 8.
2 multiplied by 8 equals 8.
Uh,
2 multiplied by what equals 8? 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4.
4.
2 multiplied by 4 equals 8. Okay. So you write
Okay.
here 4. Now what you need to do? 2 4. Now you multiply this 2 by this 4. 2 multiplied by 4 equals
Equals 4 equals 8.
8. 8. You write this 8 down. Right. Now what you will do?
8 minus 8 equals 0.
Very good. So you will write 0. You will write 0. Here. Okay. Thank you. Now tell me, uh, this is 8 minus 8. Now I will write this 2 down. Okay, guys? I have to write
Okay.
this 2 down. So this is 2. I will write here now. So this 2 I will write now here. I will drop it down.
2 multiplied by 2 equals
2 multiplied by 1 equals 2. Okay.
2.
2 multiplied by what number equals 2? 1. So I will write here 1. I will write here 1. And 2 multiply, then I multiply this 2 by this 1, this 2 by this 1. 2 multiplied by 1 equals 2.
2.
And I will write this 2 down this 2.
2 minus 2 equals 0.
Very good. Then I do subtraction and 2 minus 2 equals 0. So I will write 0 here.
Yeah.
So this is your answer, guys. When you divide 482 by 2, you get the answer 241. You get the answer 241.
1.
This is your answer. I hope you understand, guys. Write it in your notebook and complete this classwork. And we will practice these questions more. And if you did not get, you will get it, inshallah. The class time is finished. I'll meet you, inshallah, in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye, guys. I'll see you in the next class.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye,
Bye-bye.
sir. Bye,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye.